gosh, good afternoon. It's raining here. It's raining here. Welcome to my day 2 here in our house in Legazpi City. Wait lang. Hi, Jonalyn. How are you? Hi. Happy New Year. Wait lang. Pasuyo.
Masay ka mo.
Hi. Happy New Year, kids. What's your name? Pasuyo. Ilan kayo? 4?
Hindi ka nagawa.
Oh.
Thank you.
Tapos sasaro pang aki. Tapos sa agumos ako.
Salamat.
Okay. O, bati
Thank
ka.
you. Happy New Year, everyone.
Guys, this is my nephew. Ay, ano? Not nephew, panlalaki. What's, ano? Niece, sorry. This is my niece. She is the daughter of my cousin, first cousin, Ate Jocelyn.
Hello.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Kay Tita Rita, kaya ano? Ano tayo mo? Dalawang. Tita Rita. Tarita. 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 Tita Rita. Oh, Happy New Year. Oh, tigsararo na lang kamo ha.
Ano yan?
Tsokolate.
Ate Mandarak. Oh, thank you very much.
Isararo na lang
Happy
kamo, ha?
New Year.
Bye-bye.
Masain ka?
This is sa Campo Santo.
Ay, madalaw ka mo. Naguran.
Okay lang, tapos na. Oh, bati. Happy New Year.
Bye-bye. Happy New Year. Ingat ka mo.
Sige.
Kapuntulo?
Oh,
Oh, naguran.
tapos na. So guys and girls, before we proceed, we are going to cemetery to our father's grave to visit him. Hold on. So I'm starting giving some gifts to my neighbors and to my relatives. So tara na. Hold on guys. Oh, natural.